to talk to you for just like half a second, and it's because there's something pretty serious going on right now. Before we can talk more about that, I'm running low on coffee. Let's solve that. Okay, so I had to get out of that office just because it was driving me bonkers. So I got my coffee, now let's chat. So the big thing I want to talk about is the fact that at the end of every month, all these hedge funds and all the institutional buyers who are buying properties at 85, 90, 95% of ARV, those stupid high rates that we're seeing, they all are way under quota every single month. So they all hit this mad dash on the last week of the month where they want to try to pick up as many houses as they can, and they're willing to pay higher than they normally would. Now, it's not always substantially higher. Maybe it's a few extra grand more. Sometimes they will approve way higher properties. So we have 2 days left in the end of this month, the month of September. Now, again, I know it's technically more than 2 days, but they all work on business hours or business banking days, right? So they don't really work on the weekends. So here's the thing, that's why I'm trying to mad dash to get this video out right now. If you have properties that are in the Dallas, Fort Worth, or Houston markets, and they're 1980s and newer, 322 minimum, that's 3 bedroom, 2 bath, 2 car garage minimum in the Dallas, Fort Worth area, the metro, up to Denton, down to Burleson. That's as far out as we'll go. If you have anything, either it's a property you have under contract or you're trying to get under contract or it's a listing of yours, send it my way. Let's process it and let me get you an offer on that property as fast as possible. My contact information will be down below. Reach out to me. I can give you all the information. I'm trying to get this out quick, so I don't want to make this too long. Here's the deal. Literally, if it is a single family detached house built after 1980, not new build, I'm just gonna be honest with you, if it's a brand new build, probably can't be the best. But if it's built after 1980, it's a 3 bedroom, 2 bath, 2 car garage or higher, send it to me. I bet you anything, I could probably get you a good offer on it. And yes, we will look at properties that need work. So if it needs work, don't worry about it, send it to me anyway. I'll still take a look at it. I'll get you an offer, or at least a ballpark offer within a matter of moments, and after maybe an hour or two, we can get it solidified. Send it to me quick, let's talk. I'm gonna drink this coffee. I'm not gonna drink this coffee, it's terrible. Whatever they make up there is garbage, so I'm probably gonna dump it. That's just between you and me. Don't tell them I said that. I'll talk to you soon. If you know me at all, you know how serious it is if I dump out coffee.